Looking for a compact projector for movie nights? The Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 and L1 Pro are both solid options, but there's one major difference: brightness. The standard L1 delivers 200 ISO lumens, while the L1 Pro doubles that to 400 ISO lumens, giving the Pro a clearer and more visible picture, especially in rooms that aren't completely dark. Both offer 1080p resolution, support screens up to 120 inches, and include automatic focus and keystone correction. The L1 Pro also adds features like automatic obstacle avoidance, automatic screen alignment, and 2GB RAM with 16GB storage. It also has dual 5-watt speakers with Dolby Audio. So, which one should you get? If you want a more affordable projector for casual viewing in a dark room, the L1 makes sense. But if you want brighter images and more convenient automatic features, the L1 Pro is the better overall choice.